Well, we got another recovery. We are on our way. We just got done driving like, I don't know, two and a half hours.
Yeah, 140 miles.
There's Ben, he's filming too. I'm gonna get out. You wanna run for a minute? Come on down.
This is the hard pack area. It's like cement. So this is the area right here that is so hard that you're not going to sink. You can drive cars out here and it stays this way all the time. It's when you get outside of the raceway area that it gets soft. See, look at this. Like, that's hard pack. We were just talking about the difference between the raceway area here where it's hard pack and when you get just outside of it where it gets kind of darker in color and it's not smooth like this.
This is actually kind of dark too. It gets wider out there.
It's because it's wet.
Yeah, it's kind of wet.
The drier it is, the wider it is.
So
when it's wet,
we've got a Ram Promaster van that we're gonna go out and get.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a big heavy one, big heavy, and I want to air down before we get to the soft stuff.
Okay. I say we buzz down on the hard pack and then air down. Because we got like 10 miles of hard pack and then it goes to the softer stuff, so we can make good time on that.
Yeah. This just rides like a tank. But on this stuff,
it's gonna be like on the freeway.
Yeah.
This stuff is so smooth right here.
I'm gonna let him run for
just a little bit.
A couple miles. We'll go like 20 for a couple miles.
Okay.
And then I'll put him back so he gets some energy out.
Sounds good.
He's been cooped up.
Hey, don't pee on my tire. What's wrong with you? Got a long ways to go and a short time to get there.
I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run.
Well, there went an eighth of a tank of fuel.
Yeah, I know, right?
Garbage flew out of the back of Caleb's truck, so we had to stop and pick it up. So we're gonna catch Caleb. He is way up there now. So we're doing about 85, 90 right now. Moving pretty good. So we'll catch him before long. You can see how much more rough this stuff is. Just gonna sink. There's no hard pack at all past this point, and they're way out there. So time to air down so we don't get stuck. Even with 40s, you still got to be careful, especially when we start pulling. So gonna air down. I'll show you the difference. This is what I was talking about. Here you can see where the salt layer is drying out and shrinking. It pushes up like this, that crust, and that's what gives it this rough look, is all these ridges of rust popping, or salt popping up. makes it look dark, more brown. Definitely no hard pack out here. So we're gonna air down.
Caleb?
Yep.
Looks pretty solid. Yeah,
This
right.
is deceiving. You got a little tiny white layer over mud.
Right. Yeah.
But if you move a little bit of the
Salt, yeah.
it looks like the wind blew the salt past into the muddy stuff.
Yeah.
It's deceiving.
Yeah, like I said, it was pretty firm until maybe about 1,000 yards that way.
Yeah, once the ground gets real rough there, that's where the hard pack ends.
Is this your dog?
Yep.
That's mine. Yeah.
Getting some exercise.
He ran a long ways from American Fork.
Hey.
Oh, I don't mind. Y'all take this out of here or you can
No, he's got to go sniff and say hi and see if he got any animals that he can make friends with.
No.
It's the first thing he does with everybody.
The funny thing is, when I tried these ropes, apparently somebody else had these ropes right over here. Those ropes were right here and right there. And I assume that's their back tires there.
Oh. So they got stuck.
So, but they made it out, you know. A long way.
But they left their ropes.
I'm so sorry.
Nah, we're out here quite often.
Are you?
Yeah, there's
This
a lot of
far?
people. Exact same thing.
This
Yep.
far?
Mhm.
Okay, because
Yeah.
I told him. I
And
said,
farther, we've been clear out past the point before.
Yeah. Did you take a look under this? I saw
Yeah,
that.
there's a nice big hook tow point right there. Right there.
Nice. Do we want to just put a rope on it, go backwards?
Yep. Yeah, I think
Turn around and
that's
this stuff. I think we can turn around
right here easy. Yeah, that's what I think. Just right on there and just go backwards.
And then just get it to the firm part.
Yep.
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 You want to hook yours up?
Either way.
I'll grab the rope.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those 40-inch tires work better. Oh yeah.
If you pull it to the side, two things. You know there's no knots in it. And two, I can see it out the window easily. So I know when it's pulling the slack out.
There you go.
Okay.
If you're static pull, you probably don't need to yank it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna ease into it.
Still pretty slick.
Yep.
Yeah, it'll be a good 1,000 yards. That was like ice.
It's staying up on top. Yeah, those tires look like they're highway tires, so they spin on top really easy.
Yeah, they're just highway tires.
That's crazy. Just spinning. Let's go to the front. We'll just have to pull them out all the way to the actual hard pack, not the fake hard pack. Yank 'em ropes, tow point.
Okay, you're on the control arm. Alright, let's go all the way back past the rough stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't even put either truck in four-wheel drive yet. But those tires are down.
Yeah, those are some awesome tires. Yeah.
They have a lot more footprint than
exactly
these ones do. And this heavy rig, they just sink.
Want to go through the rough stuff the way we came in to the hard pack?
No, not necessarily, unless it's shorter to that road that we came in on. It wasn't very far, and we're moving pretty good.
This is probably our tire tracks right here, I think.
Yeah. So there's a hard pack road that we came in on.
Gotcha.
That's a lot closer than this way.
Gotcha.
That's what he was asking.
That's looking pretty solid.
Yeah, I kind of goosed it a little.
Yeah, there's still a crust. You can see where you goosed it there. It broke the crust away, but it's hard underneath. It didn't sink at all.
Yeah. Okay, are you guys headed back out?
Oh, we're gonna follow you.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not going to the Geocachers, but no, we're heading back out. We'll go to cleaner back.
Okay. Then yeah. If you want, you can jump in there. If you want me to drive, I can still drive.
Oh, okay.
Just follow us out. Was kind of cool because when it went to the pin drop, even though it was technically in the wrong actual area, it had a straight line. So you could just line yourself up with the line or go parallel to it, and you were, so it wasn't hard to keep direction out here.
Nice.
Because that's kind of the hardest thing, because you can't see where you're wanting to point to.
Yeah, you either have to take a bearing off of the mountains, or follow the cones.
Yeah, but even then it's harder because there's that road that we came in on went through a bunch of the rough stuff, and it was nice and perfect through the middle of the rough stuff. But
yeah.
If you don't hit that exactly, then you're going to be hitting the rough stuff.
Yeah, that's because that's where the typical raceway part ends. They've got cones left and right that they try and keep the race cars in between, because that's the known good stuff.
Looks like somebody got stuck here.
Yeah. Started to break through anyway.
Yeah. Maybe not got stuck, but started to break through at least.
Yeah. But that was another section. You could see where they had put ropes under the tires and tried to get traction to get going. But even if they had, they wouldn't have gotten very far. Because even when we stopped and it was completely on top, as soon as you tried to go, they just started spinning and digging, and
yeah,
just nothing.
Well, I think I could have started, but when I leaned out the door, it hit the e-brake.
Oh, that doesn't help.
So I was gonna lean out the door and look at the tire and ease through, and as soon as I started to spin, it started to sink, and I got back in and looked, and it had set the e-brake because I leaned over. I hate those stupid piles of crap.
I run into the same thing when I lift up off the seat to look out the window when I'm
pulling on the
guiding
rack.
myself onto the rack, and the e-brake sets and then it puts it in park. It's like really annoying.
There's so many people that get stuck out here, it's almost worth keeping a truck at that gas station or something.
We would still have to drive all the way out here. And...
Not if we bought a gyrocopter.
Yeah, they do like 180 miles an hour.
Jump out, well, and it's line of sight too. Jump out and just...
Which would still take us like 45 minutes to get here.
Yeah, but it's not 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
4 hours. Thanks for watching.
What is that? It's like a pirate ship.